Umar,
Abdullah. Van. Hello kids. Today we are going to learn the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 car. 2 cats. 3 dogs. 4 bells. 5 cups. 6 clocks. 7 cameras. 8 penguins. 9 birds. 10 stars.
okay kids, let's have some fun. I will show you some numbers and you can guess what they are called. Ready? Okay, tell me, what is this number? Yay, you are right. This is number 3. Okay, now tell me, what is this number? Super! This is number 8. Good job! What is this number? Great job! This is number 2. Okay, guess. Which number is this? Terrific! This is number 5. You are doing a great job. Can you guess what number is this? Yay! This is number 9. Can you guess what letter is this? You are correct. This is letter 6. Okay, the last one. This is easy. You can guess. You are awesome. This is letter 10. You have done a great job. I'm proud of you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.